Morning, everybody. Today is August 10th and I'm getting my hair done. My mom's gonna be here any minute and I'm gonna go get it done because it's driving me nuts and I want to go darker, so I'm excited to show you guys. I have not vlogged in a little bit. I'm uploading a video now, but it's been a little bit because I've been so tired and so nauseous that I just have not felt good at all. And also, like last night, I haven't been able to fall asleep till like 11 o'clock. No matter how tired I am or how early I go to bed, it's like 11 o'clock. I eventually fall asleep. Blake woke up crying, like screaming her face off at 1 o'clock. She cried on and off till 2, so finally I gave her some baby Tylenol, some Tempra, because I thought maybe it was her teeth or something. And then she woke up at 5:50 in the morning, so I had maybe like 4 hours, 5 hours of sleep, so I'm exhausted and I just want a nap. She's down for her nap, but I can't because I have to get my hair done, but that's okay. I'm really excited to get it done. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. We're having Colin's parents tonight for his mother's birthday, and I have to go to the store after to make up some burgers, and I'm gonna just buy like a potato salad or something. So my house is a disaster because Blake was playing this morning, but that's okay. So yeah, this is the before, and it's like stupid hot out, so I'm just wearing, this is like a velour tank top I got at the Bay a while ago. I have my slippers on and these maternity leggings. I don't know if you can tell, but I have a little bit of a bump, just a little one. So yeah, this is the before and I'll show you guys the after. So my hair is a lot darker. You can't really, I have it in a ponytail right now just because I'm gonna be with like running after her and stuff, but hold on, let me take it down and then I'll show you. That's what she did to my hair. So she did a little bit of like, I don't like my bangs curled, but that's okay. A balayage where she used a level, because my natural color is a level 8 and it's ashy, but she used a level 8 gold. So my roots are darker and she brought them down a bit. And then, hi! And then she just toned the rest of my hair. So that's what it looks like, and I'm super happy with it because it's just like it's a lot warmer and I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I look younger or something, I don't know, but it's really nice. So I'm just gonna put my hair back in a ponytail, and my parents just left and I have some parcels I got from Zulily that I'm dying to show you guys. My hairstylist is amazing. She has 3 little girls of her own, and she I was talking about this unicorn Halloween costume that I wanted to get Blake, and she's like, oh my god, I have that. Like, her youngest daughter Taylor wore it last year, and she's like, you can just have it because she's not gonna wear it again. So this is gonna be Blake's Halloween costume. It's just like the little unicorn hoodie, and it's like the one piece, it's got the tail and it's like plush. So I'm like so excited for her to wear this. Like, I can't. It's Carter's and it's 18-month size. I have, by the way, look at these bags because I'm so exhausted. But anyways, so you know what? I'm just gonna turn off the TV because it's way too loud. Hold on. So I got a couple things from Zulily because that's like my favorite site. Right now they have such good deals on like everything. They're just amazing. So I got Blake some shoes. Are these for baby Blake? Because she's not walking yet, but she's going to be very soon. And I think these might be a little too big on her. But they're these little boots. Look how cute. They look like Uggs. These were a US or size like 4 or something. So, or size 3. But it said it was for a 12 to 18 month old, and she's not walking yet, but she's going to be soon. So I'm like, I don't know. She's got really wide feet, so I want it to go a bit larger. So hopefully they fit. But are they not like the cutest things? And I think, what, baby? Look at your shoes. Like, look how cute. Like, they're so adorable. So that's the first pair I got for her. I actually got her a couple pairs, but I guess they only like, their stuff comes in like different shipments or whatnot, because I still have a couple things coming. Then for myself, I wanted some new maternity clothes, like casual maternity clothes. So I got, this is from the brand Times2, and I got a medium, although it looks a little big, but whatever. It's just like a crisscross maternity ivory colored t-shirt, and it's got the ruching at the side. So when my belly's really big, I can wear this and just be like, oh my god, look at the lint on it. There must be something else in that bag that's all linty, but I wanted to get something just like casual and that will fit my belly. Then I got, this is like such a cute t-shirt. It's a medium as well. It's by the brand, it just says Maternity, MD. Oh no, this is a medium. Oh god, this looks way too big. Oh no, I should have got a small, but it says brewing up something special. And it's got like a little heart, so I thought that was like super cute when I'm pregnant. Well, I am pregnant, but you know what I mean. It's also got ruching at the side. It looks really big, but I'm hoping like maybe once my belly pops, it'll fit better. I don't know, but it looks too big. I really should have got a small, but whatever. Yes, babe. What is that? And then I got this casual top. Again, maternity for the fall, and it's by Hello Ms. And it's a medium. It's just this really pretty wine color, and it's really stretchy, and it's got the ruching at the side, and it's just really comfortable. So I'm loving this hair color with like this color top. I know I'm weird, but. And then last but not least, I did order some more stuff that's coming in later. I got her 2 other pairs of shoes, and I got some dresses for a wedding I'm going to and just to wear when I'm really pregnant. This one is really cute. Oh god, it's so big. It just says My Little Pumpkin on the belly. So I got a medium because I don't always know with maternity clothes how big or how small they're gonna fit. Pink blush, I'm usually a small. I'm always a small, but I didn't know this brand, so I was like, oh, I'll just try it. So I'll try one on and show you guys. Hopefully it fits, but she's going for the stairs. Okay, so this is the top. It is a little big, but it fits okay. And here's just my little belly, but it's really cute. So it says brewing up something special. And yeah, I like it. It's cute. It's good quality, so I might just wear this today. You guys will honestly have to excuse me today because I'm so exhausted that I could just like pass out right now. Like I'm so tired. So I apologize if I'm not my usual self. But I'm just heating up some ham. If you heat it up in the microwave, then it kills any listeria and it's safe to have. And the only thing that I want these days are sandwiches. So that's what I'm gonna have. So B's got some bread with hummus and some ham, and I just have rye bread with ham, cheese, lettuce, and tomato, because same thing with Blake. All I want is like bread and sandwiches. Like anything else just sounds disgusting to me, so I'm so nauseous, it's not even funny. Tell everybody what you think of my hair, and be honest, don't be a smart aleck.
You look like an old lady.
No, I don't. Tell them what you really
You're officially a soccer mom.
He likes it. It's actually, you know what? It's still really blonde in the sun. I didn't realize. I thought I was like borderline brunette, and now it looks a lot like blonder in the sun. I like it.
You look good, kid.
Thanks, honey. I feel like it makes my eyes look more blue too.
No, they're still green.
They're not green.
My eyes are blue.
We all had a nap. Blake slept for an hour and a half. Well, we all slept for an hour and a half. It's 2:25, and we're gonna go get ice cream and pick up Colin's wallet that he left.
Because he's an idiot.
That he left at his friend's co-worker's house. And we'll get ice cream, and then Colin's parents are coming for her birthday, his mom's birthday. And then we have to make burgers, and we have to buy potato salad. And I'm chewing gum because I feel really nauseous, and I don't feel like throwing up.
Till next time.
He still thinks we're having twins. Oh, and I want to do a consensus. I think this is a girl. It might be a boy, but I think it's a girl. But I like 2 names. We both like Riley for a girl. It would be probably Riley May Hutterer, or my hairstylist said if we like Charlotte, why don't we formally name her Charlotte but call her Charlie, so it'd be Charlie Rose Hederer. So let me know in the comments below. Watch where you're driving there, baby.
It's a combine, I want to be around.
I know. Which ones you guys like. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Everybody just left from having dinner, and Colin just got the keys to the house that him and his business partners are gonna flip. So he went to get the keys and just check it out, and then he'll be home shortly. But I find like even after I eat, I'm still nauseous. It's like a constant thing, so I'm just kind of like, ugh. I put the baby down, and I'm probably gonna go to bed at like 8 because I'm exhausted, even though I napped today. So yeah, we just cleaned up, and I'm just gonna probably relax and watch Bachelor in Paradise, I think. And yeah, I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.